In this video, you'll learn how to configure your IoT device using Define WorkBench software. The device is configured via your PC using WorkBench, our free configuration software. To do this, you'll need the bridge key, a power source for the device, and the WorkBench software. Downloadable from defineinstruments.com/workbench. WorkBench is an easy-to-use configuration wizard for Define Instruments IoT devices. The WorkBench environment is split into three main areas: the menu tabs, the input pane, and the contextual help. The menu tabs are ordered to guide the sequence of your configuration. The input pane is where information is entered, and the contextual help panel displays topics relevant to your current configuration selection. Begin configuration by connecting your IoT device to WorkBench. Turn on the power to your device, launch WorkBench, then click the green Connect button. Once connected, you arrive on the Overview tab. Click on the Name field and enter a name that best describes the function of your device. In this example, we're monitoring the level and temperature of liquid in a 500-gallon tank, so we'll call it Tank Monitor. Next, select the Inputs tab and enter details in the input pane. In our example, Channel 1 is a temperature input, so we name the channel, change the input mode to temperature, select the decimal point precision required for viewing and logging, and specify the engineering units, in this case, degrees Fahrenheit. It is important that these fields are named and configured correctly as they are carried through to the cloud database and your dashboard views. The information used in these fields is vital to assist comprehension of the data, so careful consideration should be given to naming conventions, and care should be taken to ensure that the units of measurement and other details are entered. Channel 2 is a 4 to 20 mA level sensor, so we'll name the channel Tank Level. We select the milliamp input mode and range, specify gallons as the engineering units, then click Custom Scaling and Offset. We use the scaling to show our tank is empty with 0 gallons at a reading of 4 milliamps and is a full 500 gallons with an input of 20 milliamps. Next, navigate to the Cloud Transfer tab and select the channels which are to be sent and stored in the Define Cloud Services database. To do this, select channels from the Unlogged Channels list on the left and move them into the Logged Channels list on the right by using the right arrow button. Move through the rest of the tabs until your configuration is complete. Your device is now configured and ready to connect to the cloud.